Hello, Pike Road. I'm Gordon Stone, and what an honor, privilege, and pleasure it is to be your mayor. It is especially exciting to be a part of a community that's so engaged, as we talk about every week. The warmer the weather gets, the closer we get to spring, there'll be more events, more opportunities within your neighborhood, within the schools, within just the overall community. Please check them out. Check out our local businesses. Be a part of shopping in Pike Road, seeing what you can buy for the birthday parties and for the weddings and all the other events that are coming up in your life right here in our little hometown. Make sure also that you keep in mind all these enhanced initiatives. This weekend is the last weekend for the When It's Cold Outside art show and sale. Go by the art house on Saturday. Check out the things they have that'll be special in your house or something you can make a gift out of. Local artists providing their work for us to all enjoy. And then February 20th, the Ag and Stewardship Committee is at it again, working with Extension, bringing you an opportunity to learn about how you can maximize the trees in your yard, on your land, or you can plant trees that will build a bright new spot that you will enjoy right there in your yard or add value to your land. So make sure that you go to the How Shade is Made program, sponsored by the Cooperative Extension Service and our Enhanced Committee and our Ag and Stewardship group within that Enhanced initiative. And make sure that you sign up early, go online. It's 2 time slots, 2 to 3 o'clock in the afternoon and 3:30 to 4:30. Both of those will have the same program, so make sure you sign up and participate. We know they'll fill up, so we want to give you 2 opportunities. Also, don't forget, right around the corner, February 22nd, it is another painting workshop hosted by our friends at the Arts Council, and this is called Painting in Watercolors. Go online to pikeroad.us, check it out by going to the Arts Council spot under our Enhanced link on the webpage, and you'll find out all you need to know about painting in watercolors. Then also keep in mind this last week or so of February and the beginning of March, we're going to have seedlings arriving from the Forestry Commission, who helps us every year by providing tree seedlings that are part of our Arbor Week celebration. So come join us, get your seedlings, go to the How Shade is Made program, learn how to maximize that opportunity. February 26th will be our February version of Mondays with the Mayor. We can't wait to have you there. Join us and be a part of that program at F45 Training, which is right here in Pike Road. And we'll be there to answer your questions. We'll take your questions by text or by email, so make sure you join us, or phone call. Make sure you join us so we can be connected to you and answer your questions about what's happening in Pike Road. March 12th is the prayer team coming together. They're getting ready for the summer feeding program and other initiatives where our local houses of worship can work together to make a difference for our community. Already, we're seeing more and more events, more and more things happening in Pike Road. Thank you for participating. Thank you for making sure we are the most connected community in all of the state because of your engagement. Pike Road will pray for you. We ask that you pray for each other.